hours return?
You've got return, don't you?
Yeah,
Yes.
So 40 altogether.
How much?
40 dollars.
Oh, 40 bucks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gibbo, what did we forget to do when we were in Victor Harbour last time?
I don't know.
Take the horse and cart and go to Granite Island?
Yeah. And fish. And there's a lot of things.
So we thought we'd take you back now and quickly do it.
Doing a lot of work here. Okay, no one's on here. Got it all to ourselves. Now we'll go up the roof. Sit on top. Tiny little steps, aren't they?
Last ride for the day.
Yeah, when no one else is on here, we're the only ones. So they're doing a lot of construction. I have no idea what they're doing. We'll have to ask someone. Woohoo! Here we go. So you can handle the speed, don't you?
So going over to Granite Island where the little penguins come up, but we did it a couple of years ago and didn't even see one penguin. So I don't know what the situation is now. If you get to see many at night, that's where the tours are of a night time.
We'll have to find out, because weren't the foxes getting into them? Go Scotty, he's taking off now. On you, Scotty. Thanks for the ride. Hey, beautiful.
Hello.
Do we have to climb these?
Yes, we're going to race. Ready? Actually, we are.
All right, ready, go. Go. Come on, woman. You set the challenge. Old fella still got it. Might pull the zoom camera out and suss out what's on that island out there. Yeah, I'll put that on now.
Victor Harbour is a great spot to check out the whales during certain seasons. You can go out on a boat. Never done it before. Haven't seen a whale up close. Might happen one day. These cute little fairy penguins originally came in by the thousands. Now, sadly, their numbers have reduced dramatically. You can swim with the tuna, do a boat tour to Seal Island, around $40 per person. Whale watching during the winter months, I think July is usually a good time. Whilst you're on Granite Island, there's plenty to eat and drink. Enjoy an ice cream or a meal at the restaurant.
That's on. And they're full, like you said. Cool.
We're going to take you on a sunset bike tour.
Yeah.
Might actually need your sunnies, to be honest.
All right. Beautiful. Bloody beautiful. It's now a riding trail. Oh yeah? It's like a wetlands. Go the other way. I reckon you'll fall off in here. Yeah, it's quite nice. Oh, this is cool.